Hey there, fellow Facebook users. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated because the professional dashboard option isn't showing up on your account, especially with all the changes coming in 2025. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that will get you back on track in no time. Whether you're a business owner or a content creator, having access to the professional dashboard is key for managing your page effectively. First things first, make sure your Facebook app or browser is up to date. Facebook rolls out updates frequently, and an outdated version could be hiding features like the professional dashboard. Head to your App Store or settings and install any pending updates. Once that's done, log out of your Facebook account and log back in. This often refreshes hidden settings and resolves glitches. Next, double-check your account type. The professional dashboard is typically available for business or creator accounts. Go to your profile settings by clicking on the drop-down menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Under Accounts Center, ensure your account is set to Professional or Business. If it's not, switch it over and save the changes. Remember, in 2025, Facebook might have new verification steps, so if you see a prompt for business verification, follow it through. It usually involves confirming your email or phone number. If that doesn't work, try clearing your cache and cookies. On a browser, go to your settings and clear recent history. On the app, force close it and reopen. Sometimes, accumulated data causes display issues. Also, ensure you're using a supported device and a stable internet connection, as technical hiccups can block features. Once you've gone through these steps, head back to your page and look for the Professional Dashboard option. It should appear under the Professional Tools section. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Facebook's Help Center or community forums for personalized support. There you have it. By following these quick fixes, you'll be managing your professional tools like a pro in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's conquer those digital challenges together. See you in the next one.